Today, we're diving into how to build a web shop with WordPress, WooCommerce, and AI step by step.
All right, let's jump right in. We're going to lay out a clear, pragmatic roadmap to get you from zero to a professional online store, focusing on speed and efficiency without cutting any of the crucial corners.
We've broken it down into 4 key areas. First, we'll get the foundation right, the setup and security. Then, the really exciting part, using AI to turbocharge product creation. After that, we'll dial in the critical settings specifically for the Swiss market, and finally, we'll run through the essential pre-launch checklist.
Okay, first up, the basics. These are the absolute essential preparations for a stable and secure shop. We'll move through this part pretty quickly because it's just fundamental housekeeping. So, there are 3 non-negotiables here. 1, always run your updates for the WordPress core, your themes, and all your plugins. 2, make sure your backups are active, whether that's through something like Jetpack or your hosting provider's solution. And 3, whenever possible, build on a staging environment first. It just keeps your live site safe and lets you test things without any risk.
Now for the part that's going to completely change your workflow, the AI Turbo. This isn't just about saving a bit of time, it's about using very specific, targeted instructions to get AI to generate fantastic product content at scale.
And here's the most important thing to understand. The AI is only as good as the information you feed it. Garbage in, garbage out. Vague requests will get you generic, totally useless text. The real key, the secret, is a clear, detailed briefing. That's how you get amazing results that actually sound like your brand.
So, what goes into a great briefing? It's all about creating a set of core statements about your brand. Let's imagine we're building a shop for handcrafted jewelry. Our statements might be, brand story is minimalist pieces handcrafted in Switzerland. Our USP is sustainably sourced silver with a lifetime guarantee. The target audience is modern professionals who value quality. The tonality should be elegant, calm, and premium. The no-goes are no salesy or exaggerated claims. And of course, your SEO keywords like Swiss silver ring or minimalist jewelry.
So how do you actually use this in WordPress? Well, you've got 2 main options. You could use a full AI website builder, which creates entire pages for you. But for our purpose, efficiently adding products, my strong recommendation is Jetpack AI. Why? Because it integrates right into the WordPress editor, so you have precise control to generate text exactly where you need it. It's just faster and way more precise.
And here's the proof. This is the kind of result you can get based on those statements we just came up with for our jewelry shop. The AI can generate a product description like this one. Just look at how it nails all the key points. Minimalism, the quality materials, the target audience, Swiss quality, it's all there. This is ready to be copied and pasted right into your WooCommerce product page.
Okay, with our product content strategy totally sorted, let's dive into configuring the shop specifically for the Swiss market. This is where we make sure the checkout is absolutely seamless for your local customers.
Right inside WooCommerce, you'll set up your shipping zones. A pretty standard setup would be one zone for Switzerland and Liechtenstein, and then maybe separate ones for the EU or the rest of the world. For your rates, you can keep it simple with a flat fee per order. You could offer free shipping over a certain amount to encourage bigger orders, or you can get more advanced with weight-based shipping, which might need an extra plugin. Now, taxes. The good news is WooCommerce is fully capable of handling Swiss VAT or Mehrwertsteuer. You can set it all up, but, and this is really important, the tool only handles the technical side. For the legal questions, like when you actually have to start charging VAT and how much, you absolutely need to talk to a professional accountant. Don't guess on this stuff.
Nothing kills a sale faster than a frustrating payment process. And while Stripe is a fantastic global standard, to succeed in the Swiss market, you must offer the local favorites. That means integrating Twint and the Post Finance card is completely non-negotiable. Using a provider like Post Finance Checkout or Zeltless.ch makes this incredibly simple.
We are in the home stretch now. Let's cover the final steps, the legal must-haves, and a quick recap of our powerful workflow. This is your final checklist before hitting that Go Live button.
All right, listen up, because you cannot skip this part. To operate legally in Switzerland and the EU, you need these pages. Period. That's a legal notice or impressum, a privacy policy, your terms and conditions, a clear policy on returns, shipping info, and depending on what you're tracking, a cookie banner. Get these in place from day one. This isn't just about being compliant. It's about building trust with your customers from their very first visit. So let's just quickly tie this all together and recap that powerful time-saving AI workflow that's really at the heart of this whole process. Okay, so if you remember just one thing from this,
Make it this simple, repeatable 3-step workflow. First, you create your master briefing with those key statements about your brand plus your basic product data. Second, you feed that to the AI and let it generate everything: short descriptions, long descriptions, bullet points, maybe even an FAQ. And third, you simply copy that high-quality text and paste it directly into the right fields in WooCommerce. That right there is how you build a professional shop, and you do it fast.